Welcome to LeatherByPeter, where we craft custom, hand-braided leather accessories. Today, we'll show you just how easy it is to install our Stampede string into your hat, which makes it compatible with any hat that has a sweatband. First, squeeze the cotter pin together and gently push it through the stitching or seams between the hat and the sweatband. Push it all the way through until it's snug. Next, flip up the sweatband on the other side so you can see the cotter pin. Now, spread the pin open fully. Like this. Smooth the sweatband back down over the pin. Now, repeat the same steps on the other side. Squeeze the cotter pin. Thread it through the stitching. Flip the sweatband up. Spread the pin open. And smooth the band back down. And that's it. Your Stampede string is now in place, ready to keep your hat secure, whether you're out for a stylish stroll or a wild ride. Plus, it adds a little extra flair to your favorite hat. If you love this Stampede string, check out our shop for more custom leather hat accessories. You'll find the link in the description below.